I don't own the rights to this music, but what the hell? Some
up out of there.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party.
Why you acting like this?
Oh shit. You done fucked up, man. You done put two of America's most wanted in the same motherfucking place at the same motherfucking time. Y'all niggas about to feel this. Break out the champagne glasses and the motherfucking condoms. One of them, that's all. Picture perfect. I paint a perfect picture on the hooches with precision. My intentions to get rich with that double OP. Dog, my fucking homie, you the cold ass nigga on the mall. Show up. I keep.
I'm trying to hear some of that mob make it sound like a gorilla trying to get up out the trunk.
Well, let's get this shit cracking,
Super
nigga.
trunk rattling,
I'm talking about
old
shit
school
for the
in the
motherfucking
basement,
trunk, nigga.
magazine
This
street
is what
view,
we do
side
all
fire.
day like this, nigga.
Mob shit.
Get this shit cracking then,
There's a
nigga.
drought on.
Now.
What you holler? What you say? What they know? What they know about this? So what they know? What they know about this? So what they know?
little testing and tuning. The tweeters ain't came yet for the bags. Got them C2s up in there. Seeing what they do. They do pretty good. But yeah. Combination of a C2, customer brought his own stuff. So we just running around doing a few test things before everything comes in the mail. So yeah, a little bit this, a little bit of that.
Don't get a hell of my bitch. Niggas that 06 Gucci man. My nigga gone off a pill. Nigga walk around like Superman. Somebody come down, they about to shoot the man. Nigga, this that 06 Gucci man. My trunk won't be still. I'ma play the music loud as the music can.
Take it outside tomorrow, do some testing tuning. But for now, we got sound.